Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 on New Year's Eve with Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We got an exciting recipe coming up for you. I'll be right back in a minute to tell you what it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Third cup of cold brew nitro, baby. It is awesome. This is the Irish cream. Sweet. I love Starbucks. But we're going to go ahead while our water's boiling. We got 5 cups of water in here. 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, which is actually optional. You don't have to put the vegetable oil in it, but we're making jambalaya. And I cheat a little bit. I'm just using the jambalaya rice mix. But we're going to go ahead. I got my onions prepped. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add some heat to this. You know, I'm not going fast. I'm not going to show off. I'm not going to cut my finger off for you folks tonight. I know, although you'd probably like to see that, because after the video I caught myself on fire, that video is like climbing #1 out of all my videos. That's crazy. You guys, I didn't think you were all that morbid, but you know, it's all right. It's all good. Still love y'all. We're going to go ahead. We got some serranos here, some finger hots, a Ferrano pepper. These all got a little spice to them. I'm not going to make it, you know, I omitted the habaneros. But I am making jambalaya for my buddy James, who's down there in Louisiana. I'm not using any shrimp, because my daughter is highly allergic to them. After her whole life, she developed a severe allergy a few years back. Had to rush her to hospital. Her throat was all swelled shut. All over some shrimp. So, I mean, I'm going to do a seafood melody later on for you. But she is not allowed to touch it. And hopefully, she piped herself up on some Benadryl. Alright, now we got some beef sausage here. And I'm gonna angle cut it. Just, you know, it just makes it look a little better. And this is pre-cooked. They were out of pork sausage. I had to go with the beef sausage. Oh well, that's all the same. One's a cow and one's a pig. Oh well. Alright, we're just waiting for our water to come to a boil. Go ahead and get all our ingredients prepped for you folks. Got some onion, sweet onion, vadallia onion. Well, we got our sausage here we're working on. I hope you folks are staying safe this New Year's Eve. I am staying home, making some ice cubes. Gonna have some Bloody Marys, maybe a little toast of champagne to bring in the new year.
I've been alive for a decade.
And I'm putting about 2 pounds of this in because I'm using 2 boxes of rice. A little cold out. I had plans on, you know, straightening up the hot tub today, but it went from like 50 to 35 in snow. Gotta love Ohio, you know? Got a lot of good stuff here. We got Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, you know. Hey, and shout out to my Philadelphia Eagles for making the playoffs by the skin of their teeth. See what we can do with it. And as you see, we got the roasteds over there cooking away. That's the first recipe. But I'm thinking the jambalaya is going to toast before the roast. Roughly half hour for this, a little longer for the roast. Thicker chunks, doesn't matter. It's pre-cooked. You're good. Not like it's raw. Not gonna kill anybody. Alright. Got our ingredients prepped for our jambalaya. As you see, our water's boiling. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a wooden spoon because I forgot it. It's been crazy, folks, trying to get these videos going for y'all. Work has been crazy. So we're going to go ahead and add the rice. And the seasonings. Holy yeah, look at that. Spicy. Gotta love it. Hopefully it's not too spicy for the guests we're having over tonight. Yeah, I cheat. And you know what? That jambalaya mix you get from Aldi's, whatever, it's not a bad rice mix. Saves me the time for mixing all the ingredients. Let me get this stirred in. Because we're going to bring this back to a boil. Once we bring it back to a boil, we're going to go ahead and we're going to reduce that heat down to simmer. Going to let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Alright. Boy, I hope my pan is big enough for all this stuff I'm stuffing in there. I guess we'll find out. I should have used the big old cast iron skillet. But peppers, onions, sausage. Hopefully, James will appreciate this. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Alright, now I'm going to get this all mixed together. The heat's for me. I like the heat. If nobody else likes it, oh well. It's good stuff, though. Remember, you can tailor all these recipes to suit your own taste. Me, I like spicy. Junior over there, old, I don't know what he's calling himself now.
Survivor Z.
Oh, Survivor Z. That's right. Oh, you mean he hasn't changed his name in 24 hours? Hold on, I gotta feel his forehead. He might be sick.
I kept off for Jordana for like 2 weeks.
Nah, no, you didn't.
Well, 1 week.
I can tell by the timeline on our video logs, buddy.
I don't know how long.
All right. Well, we're going to bring this back to a boil. While we're waiting for that to come back to a boil, I'll see you folks in a minute. Hey, guys. Welcome back. Jambalaya is boiling up real good there. The little guy's like, hey, you know what? I might try that. And he's like, no, wait a minute. You put all that spicy stuff in there. I'm like, might not be too bad. Once it cooks out, you know what I mean? Come on. You eat them peppers raw, they tend to be a little spicy. Once you cook it, cook some of the heat out, but it gives a good flavor. Alright, so we got that to a nice boil now. Making a mess out of my stove. Awesome. We're going to turn that down to simmer. I'm going to go ahead and just cover it. We're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes.
It's already steamy.
Alright, so in about 25 minutes or so, come back and show you the finished product. Thanks, guys, for being with me again. Love you all. I am wishing everybody a prosperous new year. And all the blessings to you and your families. But we'll be back shortly because I got another recipe we're going to do. Something quick, simple, the kids will like it. It's something everyone will like. You know, you just have to tune back in and see. Thanks, guys. Alright. Jambalaya is ready. Just gonna fluff it up a little bit here, folks. This is quick, simple little recipe. Go ahead and throw some of this on a plate. I like making noise with my pots and pans if you haven't ever noticed. Alright, a little salt. I'll just add it in taste. And a little pepper because I didn't add any salt. So I know it needed salt. But there you have it, folks. Quick, easy jambalaya. Got some nice heat. And this is, well, the second recipe actually got finished before the first. But we're going to go ahead and dive right into this. Not a lot of heat for the little guy. He might even like this. Let me try some more. Pepper? Oh yeah. Well, there you have it. Quick, easy jambalaya. About 40 minutes. That was recipe number 2 of the evening. Number 1, still cooking right over there. Alright, but I'll see you folks later on. Have a great evening.